Ah, yes.
Hey Dad, open up a new box of the 45. Dad!
This is my favorite one right here, though. This thing's a beauty.
What? I'm opening up a new box of the 45.
Oh, God. Alright. These are all amazing.
What's that?
Have you looked through his reticle?
No.
I'll look at it.
Yeah,
It's
turn
crazy.
on the reticle and let him take a look at it.
Wow. Pull back and then forward.
Shoot the cube?
Yeah, with that?
No, the 9mm.
Oh yeah, whatever you want. Fine.
I was gonna shoot it with the
Dude, that's gnarly.
You want the Beretta?
Nah, I've already got rounds.
Oh, yeah, whatever you want.
I think this is just fun.
Ooh.
Lead, breast.
Brutalized.
Shoots pretty good.
Shell cases everywhere.
Shoot my target.
Oh, you're out.
Uncle Steve, go.
I want to see Uncle Steve first.
For a 22. Go,
Steve. Brick. Ooh.
Oh, my God.
You're getting 22, but what's
In the
possible to find?
When we
With your chest.
Fine.
Okay.
So we went to Dick's Sports. It might even be a year ago now. Maybe.
Okay. You're good.
That
See
would
the
be-
hole I put in that? Out. I love it with the hole in it.
Not today. I got a slide fire. Just that'd have been.